obvious rally-based rally this morning at 250 at a form of supplies. This is small time frame uptrend. I don't know if anybody looked at FinViz this morning. Did anybody look at FinViz this morning? For you morning traders, I don't know if you heard me mention that before, just looking at FinViz and looking at FX Street, kind of getting a gauge of what's going on, form of supply, turn demand, also previous buying pressure, and a whole number, 1.53 even. Y'all talking in class? Look at this foolishness on the pound yen too. Just missed me. This was a wick over wick. I was focused on this 4-hour doji. If I wanted to still get in here, but you know, who cares what I want, right? Aussie dollar blew through everything. It did not come back. Actually, this was the zone, and it did not come back to us. And I said that if it does that, don't take the zone. If it moves away from a zone close to your zone, them buyers are gone already. And it happened again last night. I was just saying this about the night before, didn't I? Same thing happened again. So just being aware of where you are at all times. Trading is constantly aware. Targets and stops, entries, everything is awareness. I'm waiting for this to pop in here. I've been waiting for this. Oh, this came down here this morning. I started drooling. Then it did this. I'm waiting for that thing to pop in here so bad in this US Swiss. Please come down in here. See the euro trying to pipe it up. I see this Swiss trying to get busy too. What y'all think the Swiss trying to do, y'all? That Swiss strong in the front. And that euro too. So we're gonna have to look at some of those. I don't know what y'all funny. I know this right here. That is Sweet Sadie. Well. In the fan. That's what that is. That's Sweet Sadie right there. I don't know if it'll like this. Is this weekly finna give you a weekly pick me up? That's what I want to know. If you finna get a weekly pick me up for that moving average, it'd be nice to see that weekly moving average just come and curve under that thing right now for us. And just take us to upper stratospheres that we know nothing of. I might maybe a buy stop out of it. So if this situation would have been different, I probably would have did a buy stop out of it. Still, the spread might still be too high too. That's one of them too. Weekly wick over wick, too high highs. Trying to see if that weekly wick over wick is going with that weekly moving average. Yeah, I ain't by myself. I know you hear me. How if you hear me? I mean, we literally sat here and look at the moving average hit it right there. I told you, didn't I tell you? That's what make it feel worse that we actually sat here and looked at these yen. Yeah, we stared at them like this. But because the Swiss is strong, remember we made that before. Because the Swiss is strong, right here in the 7, I don't know if I would mess with it too much. Because it's strong in the day, I wouldn't, because it's strong right now. So New Zealand Swiss, you know, it'd be tough. If I did my curve, the previous day's candle is the top of the curve at 250. Okay, I know it's been running, but sometimes things got to get a breath. It just can't run forever. It's got to take a, see how this little breath, bang, little breath, little breath. Just get the rhythm. Let the rhythm get you. Little breath, little breath, little. You know what I'm saying? Bam. The dollar's about to get up, fools. Hey, folks. You see how man, I wanted this so bad. Please come back. CAD, if it will move towards this. Sometimes you just gotta wait, people. Y'all know that by now. US CAD, you need it. That still might come back. It might, you know. New Zealand dollar stays depressed. They both do the same thing. I told Aussie, the Aussie and the New Zealand are brother sister companies. See gold pressure as real yields rocket higher. Oh, so the Aussie New Zealand fell. The Swiss got strong. No, the Swiss got strong, and gold had happened just to rocket. Looks like the GameStop AMC, don't it? Yeah, that's a good zone. It's just that's the one we looked at. It didn't make it there. We drew this, remember? No wick at the back. Only demand to supply. It just told us to go fly a kite. You sit here, you're gonna make you some money when Bitcoin comes back. You know, this is where all the thirst traps are at for Bitcoin, right here at 40 even. I don't know if it'll make it back up to this wick over wick. We were aiming for that, but it just never hit. And moving average, that 4-hour moving average is falling over Stella. I'm about to go over and trade the heck out of some of these kerns. Let's go back to FX. Ripple. See how you just find information, all of a sudden stuff is dropping? Like, oh, all I had to do was read. USD CAD price announcement. Recovery moves need validation. This is new too. This ain't even from this morning. This like recent. US yen price forecast 2021. Dollar yen to keep falling in the year of healing. Oh snap. Where the US yen at, bud? New high too. Now y'all want to go back to where we got this thing at a long time ago, the brand new frontier. What y'all think about this rally-based rally in oil, form of supply turn demand? It's as easy as looking as long as your eyes can see. Put your hands where my eyes can see. You know, if you look in a weekly, you see this is a weekly drop-based rally leg out in a weekly. So price came back somewhere in here for you to get a little bite. So in a weekly chart, look at where we at in the weekly. We just came to a smaller time frame to find those good old honey pots. Hey girl, it's still rain on me, boo. These are little snatchy backsies right here. When they try to come down to that 131 even, you let them know that your teacher taught you how to sensei that right at 131, right at this little rally-based rally, at the form of supply turn demand. You tell them your teacher taught you. All right, y'all. Take it light. I'll see y'all in a minute. God bless, and remember, love somebody other than yourself. Thank you.